Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this really cool spiral text effect in Adobe Illustrator CC. So type in your text in any font you want and any color you want, and you're just going to select this ellipse tool and create a circle and just delete the just swap and fill like so. Then select the scissors tool, which is under the eraser tool, and just select one of the points. Once you're done with that, you're going to right click on the go to object and then expand and then select OK. Go to the brushes tool, select the text and add it in here. So drag it and add it here. Select art brush, select OK. Select method and select tints and select OK. Select the circle and select it and select the text. Here you can adjust the strokes, maybe 2 points. And then you're going to select this bit and choose this profile for this one. I'm just going to choose this one, and then I'm just going to go to effect, distort and transform, and then transform, and then I'm going to choose 90% for both horizontal and vertical, and then I'm going to make around 29 copies here, and then I'm going to kind of rotate it until I get the kind of spiral that I want, like this. If 29 copies is too much, you can lower it to 20 maybe, but I'm just going to use 29 for mine and add a 10% angle, and I'm just going to press OK. And that is it. You can just delete that. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!